Hi, Paul here with another quick tip for you. Today I'd like to talk to you about how to control two 8 series simultaneously with a USB keyboard. So you might want to do this especially on a cart where you have a master, say a Scorpio, and a slave such as an 888 or an 833, and you want to enter metadata on both or control the transport of both simultaneously. You really don't want to have to enter metadata on your master recorder and then after that enter the same metadata on the slave recorder. That would take too much time and no one's really got that time on a set. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So what do you need to do this? Well, you need a USB keyboard. Here's one just here. This is actually a Bluetooth one, a mini Bluetooth one. It comes with a Bluetooth dongle which connects to the USB-A port on the 8 series. Of course I could use a hardwired USB keyboard as well for this. So you need one of these, obviously. These are available everywhere, these mini USB Bluetooth keyboards. And they all come with a little Bluetooth dongle. Now that inserts into the USB-A port on the front of this unit here. Now what is this? This is a USB splitter, and what it does is it takes a USB input, whether it's a Bluetooth dongle or a standard USB wired keyboard, and splits that signal into two outputs, one of which connects to the USB-A port on my Scorpio and the other which connects to the USB-A port, in this case on my 888. The nice thing about this particular model is it's actually powered via the keyboard outputs from the 8 series, so you don't need any separate power. But if you did, it's also got a DC input which goes up to 12 volts, so this is ideal for a cart. There are other models of this out on the market, but this particular one is made by a company called Huintech, and it's model UBS 120P. So here's our system, here's my keyboard. Now let's just do an example of entering some metadata to show you how this works. But before we do, let's just check they're both going to record simultaneously. So I'm going to use the Control-R shortcut for recording. Here we go. There we go. And they're both rolling. And now I can do stop, which is Control-S, like so. I could do playback from here, as well as other things. Now, I want to demonstrate how to edit metadata on both. So I'm going to press the F2 key, and notice that brings me to my take list, right here. And I'm now going to select, the current take is already selected, but I can use the up-down arrows on my keyboard here to navigate the take list. But I'm going to enter a scene name for the next take. So I do that, and I'm going to hit enter. And now I'm going to come down to my scene field, just here. I'm going to add a new entry. In this case, let's just call it, let's see. I'll just go down here. I'm going to call it 1. Just call it scene 1. Or did we actually do anything there? No, we didn't. Let's try that again. I'm going to come down to here, add new entry, and let's call this 100, just there. Okay, now I'm going to hit save or enter here. There's my scene name entered. So now all I have to do is do Control-R, and they're both going to record. And notice here on the top line of each display, we have scene 100, take 1. Take 100, take 1. So it's that easy to simultaneously control both units. Thank you.